আজকে আমরা 100টি অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট প্রিপোজিশন সম্পর্কে জানব। অ্যাক্সেস টু প্রবেশাধিকার, রাইট টু এন্টার। শি হ্যাজ অ্যান ইজি অ্যাক্সেস টু মাই অফিস। অ্যাকোয়েন্টেন্স উইথ পরিচয়, আইডেন্টিফিকেশন। আই ওয়াজ গ্ল্যাড টু মেক অ্যাকোয়েন্টেন্স উইথ হিম। অ্যাফেকশন ফর ফিলিংস অফ লাভ। এভরি মাদার হ্যাজ অ্যাফেকশন ফর হার চাইল্ড। Ambition for highly ambitious, Uchakankha. Mr. Brown had an ambition for fame. Appetite for khuda, hungry. The child has no appetite for food now. Authority on Sreshto Pandit, great intelligent. Govind was an authority on history. Authority over Adipatya, dominance. The father lost authority over his son. Authority for Praman, proof. The police did not find any authority for murder. Aversion to Bitrishna, indifference. He has an aversion to learning. Antipathy to Bitrishna. Uninterest. I wondered at his antipathy to social life. Apology for Pravanata, tendency. She has no apology for music. Apology for ক্ষমা প্রার্থনা, beg pardon. He begged apology for his impudence. Absence from অনুপস্থিত, absent. His absence from the meeting alarmed us. Addiction to মন্দ কার্যে আসক্তি, interested in unsocial activity. The boy has an addiction to win. Antidote to, against, or for প্রতিষেধক, life saving. Quinine is an antidote to, for, or against malaria. Attention to মনোযোগ দেওয়া, attention. Pay attention to what I say. Bar to প্রতিবন্ধক, obstacle. Poverty is bar to progress of society. Candidate for, candidate পদপ্রার্থী. My father is a candidate for chairmanship. Caution against সাবধানতা, security. We must exercise caution against AIDS. Cause for কারণ, reason. I see no cause for your anxiety. Cause of কারণ অতীত, reason. I know the cause of my failure. Claim to দাবি, demand. The girl raised a claim to her father's property. Clue to অনুসন্ধানের সূত্র, main point. The policeman searched for clue to the murder. Comment on মন্তব্য, speech. The teacher made an able comment on politics. Contemporary of with সমসাময়িক. Tagore was contemporary of or with Bernard Shaw. Contempt for ঘৃণা, hate. Have a contempt for wine. Contempt of আইন অমান্য, neglect the law. The man was charged with the contempt of court. Contrast to পার্থক্য, difference. Black is a contrast to white. Contrast with বিপরীত, opposite. His words are in contrast with his deeds. Control over কর্তৃত্ব, controlness. He has no control over himself. Craving for ঐকান্তিক ইচ্ছা, main will. We shall have craving for some success in life. Contribution to দান. Mr. Babul made a handsome contribution to the fund. Charm for আকর্ষণ, attraction. The city has great charm for Saurav Ganguly. Compensation for ক্ষতিপূরণ, fulfill the loss. You have to make compensation for the loss. Connection with সম্পর্ক, relation. I have no connection with the girl. Delight in আনন্দ, happy. We found a great delight in the matter. disgrace to Kalanko, blemish. The son brought disgrace to his father. Desire for Obhilash. The poet had a desire for fame. Dislike to. The prophet had a strong dislike to drinks. Distaste for. Nobody has actually any distaste for art. Dispute about. Debate. The politician raised a dispute about the issue. Dispute with Motanto, different opinion. The boy had a dispute with his father. Eagerness for. Agroho, eager. Helen has always had eagerness for poetry. Enemy with. Shotruta. England had enmity with France once. Enemy to shotru, enemy. Wrong idea is an enemy to clear doubt. Envy at, jealous. The girl envied at the success of her sister. Esteemed for Shraddha, respect. Free thinkers never had any esteem for religion. Exception to Betikrom. Exceptional. There is an exception to the rule. Escape from Puritran. The criminal found the chance of an escape from jail. Excuse for Ozor. Pretense. The boy invented an excuse for being late. Exemption from Rehai become free. The boy begged exemption from the fine. Fancy for or two. My friend told that he had no fancy for beer. Faith in Bishas belief. A skeptical mind has no faith in God. Familiarity with Purichiti acquaintance. His familiarity with the public was amusing. Fondness for affection. Every husband has fondness for his wife. Grudge against Videsh envy. The conservatives feel grudge against the free thinking of the day. Guarantee for Nishchayata, surety. A good is going to be worthless soon despite the guarantee for its longevity in our country. Heir to Uttaradhikari, inheritor. I am the only heir to the property of my father. Hope of Asha. There is no more hope of success. Hope for Pratasha except expectation. Everyone hopes for a better day. Heed to মনোযোগ দেওয়া attention. The weak student did not pay heed to his teacher's words. Influence over কর্তৃত্ব authority. The teacher has no influence over me. Influence with প্রভাব effect. The officer has little influence his staff. Indulgence to প্রশ্রয় indulgence. Never give indulgence to your son. Indulgence in ashokti, interested. We should not tolerate indulgence in wine. Intimacy with ঘনিষ্ঠতা, close connection. Religious souls have intimacy with God. Interview with সাক্ষাৎকার, meet face to face. The petitioner had an interview with his wife. Interest in কৌতূহল, curiosity. The man has interest in the afterlife. Incentive to উদ্দীপনা, excited. Processions are incentive to mass awakening. Inclination to or for zeal. He felt the inclination to or for economics. Key to উপায় process. Hard work is key to success. Lack of scarcity. Due to lack of food, thousands of millions lay dead. Liking for Anurag, aspect of love. He has a liking for art. Love for Anurag, love feeling. I have had love for my friend. Longing for ঐকান্তিক ইচ্ছা main will or zeal. The exile had a longing for his country. Motive for অভিসন্ধি motive. He seemed to have a motive for misdeed. Need for প্রয়োজন necessity. I have no need for your assistance. Necessity for প্রয়োজন. Requiring relief. Intellect is a necessity for prosperity. Obstacle to বাধা barrier. Poverty is an obstacle to social reform. Passion for আসক্তি affection. I have a passion for games. Pride in proudness. Ramsey took pride in his success. Proficiency in বুৎপত্তি inner power. The scholar had proficiency in language. Pretext for ছল pretend. She went away on the pretext for bringing water. Preventive of নিবারক cure. Exercise is preventive of many diseases. Remedy for প্রতিকার. Act of correcting. Act of correcting. We have to find a remedy for our backwardness. Respect for সম্মান honor. I have a great respect for my parents. Slave to বশীভূত subdued. Never be a slave to your passion. Stimulus to উদ্দীপনা excitement. His hard work gave stimulus to his success. Sympathy for সহানুভূতি empathy. The rich must have sympathy for the poor. Taste of স্বাদ. The taste of Hilsa fish is great. Taste for পছন্দ. In his childhood, Tagore developed a taste for poetry. Trust in বিশ্বাস belief. Never trust in a rogue. Thirst for after. Emile Zola felt thirst for knowledge while she was but a girl. Use for of into. What is the use for his hypocrisy? He learned the use of computer in solving problems. The pen was a great use to me. Use of ব্যবহার use. You have to know the use of computer for our purpose. Victim to of victim. The widow was a victim to her folly. She was a victim of circumstances. Just for ইচ্ছা wish. Socrates showed an amazing degree of just for knowledge. Thank you everyone. We shall come back again soon. Next, adjective and participles for appropriate preposition. Thank you.